will be surviving on a very less salary, very less. That is like just you will be paying your rent and you will be getting food. That's it. Not more than that. Not even a single rupee will be there. So if you are thinking that IT field will give you a lot of money, so this is a incomplete information. This is not at all a complete information. Not at all. So first you should find out that okay, I don't like IT field, then don't come here. And if you think that no pressure will be there, like high salary will be there, we will get to work in that high buildings, like tall buildings. So no, they will be there, but IT jobs gives you three things. Whenever you are going into the IT field, it will give you three things. First is salary. It will give you salary. Second is headache. And third is tension. So if you can afford a headache and tension, you are welcome to this world of IT. And it gives. You can talk to 100 employees. I am not saying that, okay, you should trust me only. Don't trust me. Right? Talk to the seniors. Your biggest problem is you guys don't talk. Your biggest problem is this. If someone is doing job, talk to them that how is your job going. They will tell you two good things and three bad things. And you can compare that ratio to, even if you ask me, then if I am doing if I am doing any job somewhere like that, what will be my thing? I will say that, okay, 10 good things are there. I will say that yes, 10 good things are there. Not even a single doubt. But I will say 20 bad things are there. So you have to figure out that good and bad are everywhere. I am not saying that I am a perfect person. And no one is perfect. You have to figure out the bad things as well. If that bad thing is aligning with you, that okay, I can manage with this bad thing, then you are welcome. Let's say tomorrow, I'll take anyone's example here. So I think out of all of you, this Gopal is the youngest person here. And this Gopal is from Odisha and he's in the first year right now. In first semester he is. So let's say I'll just take example of Gopal. So he's very young. After some time he'll get married. So he will find a girl. Maybe he has already find a girl for himself. Gopal, already find or you will find after some time? No, sir. Okay, sir. So let's say Gopal will find a girl after some time. And Gopal is talking to that girl and that Gopal asks that what is the bad thing in you? And Gopal is saying that please tell me your bad things. Good, I will discuss later, but first you tell me your bad things. That girl started replying and said that my first bad thing is I wake up very late. So Gopal will say, okay, no problem. I also wake up very late. Then girl replied that I sleep early. Then Gopal asked at what time. So that girl replied that I will sleep at 8 or 9. Now Gopal will say it's a problem. Like you are waking up late and you are sleeping early. Now, if Gopal is happy that, okay, no problem, sleep, I don't have any problem, then only you should marry that girl. But if you have problem with that sleep cycle, you should not get in touch with that girl again. And it is just for an example. Don't take it personal. So same is with the IT companies. Don't just look at the salary, right? Don't just look at the salary. Look at the bad things as well. If you are getting an offer letter, yes, you can get. If you are getting offer letter, check the bad things in that. Like what bad things we can check. First, you should check that what is the, you should check these things. Office timings. What are the office timings? In office timings, then you can check what are the leave policies, because generally companies don't give leave very easily. If you are a student, if you are learning something, then it's very easy. Okay, today I'll not go to class, today I will not go to college. At that time, it is very easy. But whenever you are working in a company, leave policies are very strict. You can't take a single leave without informing. Sometimes we are not in a mood to talk to anyone. Sometimes we are not in a mood to do anything. We want some rest. We are just getting tired at that time and we want some rest. But no, there is no rest. You have to attend the office timings and days as well. So you should check office timings. You should check leave policies. Along with that, you should check one more thing: culture. Culture. That what is the culture of that particular company? How they are treating their employees? Like everyone will say, no, no, we are like a family here. No, nothing. Your family is your family. Your company is never your family. In every around the world, I have seen this thing. Every time they will say that, okay, we are treating our employees like our family. No one treats them as their family. So you should find a culture. Now, sir, how we can find the culture of any company without joining it? So very simple. It's very simple. If the culture of company is bad, they will be hiring every time. Every time. If company is hiring every month, culture is very bad. Very bad. How hiring means bad culture? Because peoples are resigning. That's why they are hiring. Because peoples are resigning every month and they are hiring every month new peoples. Second is if you are going to office, first day only you can find the culture. First day, whenever you are going to office and you see people not talking to each other, there are no laughter, there is no giggles. Generally, we are colleagues and we have a lot of fun here. Like, let's say if I'm sitting with my colleague, I will talk to him, I will just share my things with him. But if you are not seeing this attitude in people that they are ready to talk to you, or if you are going to talk to them, they are just like that, they are ignoring you. So you should understand the culture is not at all good here. Now, what we should do if we got stuck in a bad culture company? So I will tell you one thing that before joining any company, just talk about their culture. Like how we can know the culture. So you should go to the LinkedIn, you should go to Google, write the company name, read the post there, right? Read the post there. Whose post we should? So there is a platform and platform name is Reddit. 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 You can say it, read it, Reddit, something like that. So what happens in this platform? Nothing happens in this platform. There are some anonymous users. Let's say I don't want to tell my name. My name is Shivam, but I don't want to tell it because let's say I am working in Google and I am talking bad about Google. So they will track me, right? So I will go to Reddit without writing my name with the anonymous ID. I will write bad things about Google that okay, they are not giving proper salary, this, that. So Reddit is a place where people will write mostly about their working culture. So you should read those posts that what they are doing, right? They will tell you on Reddit. So read about your company. Second thing is if your company is asking you to pay a registration fees, pay a security fee, security deposit, something like that. If they are asking you, that company is 110% fake. If they are asking you to pay 10 rupees also, that okay, give this 10 rupees as registration fees, you will feel that okay, 10 rupees is very easy to do. Like, what is the value of 10 rupee? You can pay, but that's a company's fake. They require an employee, they should pay. Why you should pay some money? If they are asking a single rupee anytime, then that company is fake. Sometimes they will say that no, no. Sometimes they will give you very dumb example that whenever you are filling a form for government job, there is a form fees. So this is our form fees. So then you should reply that okay, then I'm going to fill a government form. I'm done with the private jobs, right? Then I'm done with the private jobs. I don't want a private job here because they gives these kind of dumb examples that okay, whenever you are filling a form for government job, you pay a fee 100 rupees, 200 rupees. You should not pay, right? You should not pay a single rupee if any company is asking to you to pay that money. Don't pay. They will say that, okay, give me 500. We will blacklist your document. You will not get job anywhere. So just reply that, okay, no problem. If I'm not getting job, I have a lot of money. I will survive. Because they just give a fear to the candidate. Because you are fresher, you desperately want a job now. You are a fresher and you desperately want a job. So they will give you fear that, okay, will blacklist your document. You will never get a job in any company. We will send a bad review about you to all the companies. First of all, no, they can't. Now, let's say if someone is talking bad about me to you, will you trust that person or you will talk to me first that, okay, sir, that person was talking bad about you. So there is a conspiracy theory here. Don't just blindly trust them. Okay, don't blindly trust them. Have your own brain. They will give you fear like, okay, we will blacklist your documents. You will not get your documents back. This, that. We will block your Aadhaar card. We will update it on your Aadhaar card that, okay, this person is fake. Something like that they will say. You should not. These were the about how to join a company and what are the procedures for that. Now, next thing we are going to discuss is, let's say I am zero in IT, literally zero. How I can get a job in IT? What is the career path? So let me tell you all the career path in which you can get your job. IT fields. IT fields doesn't mean only coding. There are a lot of other fields as well, right? There are lot of other fields as well. What are those other fields? The very first is software development. Software development. And let me write how much coding is required in this. So when we are talking about software development, higher coding is required, or you can say high coding. So in software development, high coding is required. Second thing is, whenever you are having a plan that, okay, if I can't do lot of coding, see, you know very well that you can do coding or not, right? You know it very well that you can do coding or not. So I will tell you my college story or school story. Like in that period, I will tell you, I used to play cricket and I find myself very good in cricket. That, okay, I will play cricket very good. So, but one of my close friend, he used to play kabaddi. So one day, he invited me that, okay, today you come to us. And I started playing that. I was having this thing in mind that I am a pro player. I can do anything. And I was having lot of confidence inside me that no, I will do everything. So I started playing kabaddi and the result was I came home with a torn pant and shirt. It was a very embarrassing moment, but in reality. So I got a reality check on me that I can never play kabaddi. Even if I'm trying my best, I can't play kabaddi. So sometimes you have to figure out that I can do it or not. So if you are able to write coding with very easily that, okay, I'm fine with writing code, then go for it. But if you don't want to write code and you want to go into the IT field, what are other alternatives? So other alternatives are UI and UX design. UI and UX design, user interface and UX means user experience design. In this field, what we can achieve? We can achieve a lot of things. Like less salary will be there, sir, designing field. I will say no, sir. In companies, the salary of a developer is equal to a salary of designer. But you should have skills. If we, if I am saying that, sir, what is required for UI UX design? I will say there are some tools. Out of this, Adobe XD is there and Figma is there. If you know Adobe XD, Figma, little bit HTML and little bit CSS. You are a UI UX designer. Very less coding is required and salary will be equal. Then you will say promotion will not be equal, sir. Sir, promotion is also equal, right? Promotion is also equal. There is no problem with the promotion. Third thing is If I'm not good at designing. I myself say that I am not good at designing. Like I don't know how to design the things, what color will look good here, right? So if I don't have coding skills, I don't have designing skills, what is the third field that I can go? Then I will say that you can go to data analysis. So data analysis is like we'll say in like everywhere two aunties will be talking to each other and they will be mocking other people's of their neighbors. They will be talking about, okay, you know that boy went and out at night, late night, that girl is coming late night. So they will develop lot of conspiracy theories about people's. That boy was roaming on road with a girl. He's having something with that. Like that, they will say what they are doing. They are seeing something and they are generating data about it. They are generating result. They are generating conclusion about it. That okay, that boy and that girl is having affair. So like that, they will say that is data analysis. So you will get a lot of data. Just see that, do some operation on that data, and give a result, give a result. So I will give you a very basic thing that how we can like give the details, how we can give the details by seeing at a data. So okay, for that I will say that if I want to do data analysis, how I will do. Let's say I want to open a company and my company will produce laptops. My company will produce laptops. Now, one is data analysis. There will be a person whose job position will be data analyst, or you can call as data engineer. They will be the data engineer. So you know what this data engineer will do? He will study previous data, data of like last 10 years. He will study that data. Okay, that in the month of July, August, and September, sale are highest. What is the reason behind it? And then October, November, like last half, July, August, September, October, November, these months are having lot of sales in laptop. Then he will study that data. Okay, last year it was like last 3 4 years back, it was COVID going on. So a lot of people were working from home only. So laptops were required. At that time, in March month also, we got the highest sale of laptop. Because if you remember, COVID came around February and March only, like February, March, April. So at that time, the sale of laptop was highest. Now you can't say that next year also the sale of laptop will be highest in March and April because that was COVID. Next year we are not having any COVID. Then you have to find a fixed thing. COVID was not a fixed thing. It came and went, right? But you have to find a fixed thing. And that fixed thing is data analysis. So you will say that in India or around the world, all the colleges starts in around July, August, and September. And all the IT companies starts hiring in October and November. All of them require a laptop to, like say, if you are a student, you will require a laptop, right? To work. And if your company is hiring, they will also require a laptop. So that's why the sale of laptop will be the highest when from July to November. But as a normal person, I cannot calculate that how much laptop my company will be selling, what will be the profit. So I will hire a data analyst and they do very less coding, like 10 lines of code, 20 lines of code, not more than that. In 10 and 20 lines of code, they will generate a lot of good data. So that is data analysis or data engineering, which requires very less coding, very less coding. This is the third field of IT. Fourth field of IT is cyber security. Cyber security. Whenever, let's say, I have a home and I have a company, let's say I'm not talking about home, I have a company office. So I will keep a security guard at the gate of office so that no one is going to enter. Is no unknown person is coming into my office. Now, if you are developing a software, do you think that no one will come to your software and harm it? Of course, people will come. People will try to harm your system. People will come and they will say you that, okay, we are hacking your system. So you require a cyber security expert also, that you can say as ethical hacker, and it requires less coding. It requires less coding. Even this data analysis also require less coding. So now you want to secure that application or website that you have built. So you require less coding for that. Very less coding you require. So these are the fields. We have other fields as well. And in other fields, you will be having project management tools, project management, because here, if you are developing a project, let's say I am working on a project and I don't know how much time I should take to develop it. So you will have project development tools. Then you will have project management tools by which you can manage the development of any particular project, by which you will manage any particular project. That's it. Then you will get testing tools. You will see tester. So recently, or not recently, whenever a car is launching, new car, so there will be a safety rating of that car. So let's say Volvo car. Volvo is a car company and Volvo car are the safest car. This is a tagline in the market that Volvo car are the safest car. People call it, like, I don't have any knowledge in that, that okay, Volvo car are the safest or not. How they are testing the safety? Let's say there are three car companies. There is one car company as Kia, and one car company as Tata, another car company as Volvo. Like this, there are three car companies. Each one will say that, okay, my car are the safe. Kia will say no, my car are safest car. Tata will say no, my car are the safest car. Volvo will say no, my car are the safest car. How you will define the safety of any car? So that require a testing of the car. So Kia, Tata and Volvo, all of them came to me that you can tell which car is the safest. So I said them that, okay, I will test your car. I will test your car. How I will test your car? Then they, Kia, Tata and Volvo were asking how you will test. I said that is my issue. How I will test. So I thought that, okay, I am going to my office from my home. In that way, there is a 10-kilometer way. In that 10-kilometer way, there is a iron pillar. What if one day I hit my car into that iron pillar? How much it will hurt? So what I will do, I will make a dummy person. Dummy person means a robot kind of thing. I will make that person sit in the car. I will start my car by remote. Means instead of driving it by manually, I will go out of the car and I will drive it automatically. And I will hit my car to that pole. Both Kia, Tata and Volvo, all the three cars I will hit into that pole. And then I will decide that how much damage is done to these three cars. How much damage is done. So I will say fully damaged. This car became fully damaged at 80 km per hour. When my car was running at a speed of 80 km per hour, Kia was fully damaged. I'm just writing an example here. Don't say that Kia is like not safe. Just writing an example. For Tata, I will say half, or we can say 40% damage. 40% damage with same speed, or you can write on same speed. Means 80 km per hour. Volvo was only 10% damage on same speed. So I will say that Kia, you are not at all safe. Like your car became fully damaged. To Tata, I will say that Tata, you require some modification. Please fix this thing. These are the changes you should make. Your front side of the car is not safe. It is getting damaged very easily. Glasses are breaking very early. To Volvo, I say that Volvo, you are very good. You are very good. But there is a little tester. We call them software tester. We call them quality analyst. They will check the quality of anything. We call them as software development engineer in testing, SDET. So like that, we will say to them. that these are the software development engineering in testing. We call them software tester. We call them quality analyst. So this is also a job. How much coding is required? So I will say, tell me one thing. Three car company came to you. Kia came to you. Tata came to you. And Volvo came to you. And you tested their car. Tell me how much knowledge you are having in building a car. Zero knowledge. If company is coming to you, how much knowledge you have in building that car? We have zero knowledge. We don't even know how gear of a car works, but we are testing their car. So I will say for testing the softwares, less coding, like very less coding, like only 10% coding is required. But you should have knowledge of testing tools. You should have knowledge of testing tools. So kind of we will say that 10% of the coding knowledge is only required, not more than that, right? Not more than that. Only 10% of the coding is required. In what field? Testing field. Only 10%. So these are the 6 main field. And for your surprise, all of the fields are having almost same salary, right? All the fields are having almost same salary. No too much difference will not be there in the salary. Not be there in the salary. Salary will be the same. And that is where the path here. So don't go blindly into the IT field. Have some knowledge, have some confidence in you. So these are the career path that you can choose. Out of which, in what fields I have worked. Like, okay, at some point of time, I was working in those fields. So I will say to you that this is my main field, right? Software development is my main field. I am doing this. I have done this designing also, like little bit of designing I know. Cyber security full I know, right? I have done hacking also. I have done testing of tools, means I have worked in testing also. So these are the 4 fields. Data analysis I had done very less. So I will not write that, okay, I know data analysis also, and project management also tools very less. So in these 4 fields, I have worked fully. This, and this. Fully I have worked. And from my experience only, I am telling you, all the field will pay you almost same salary in starting and after 10 years also. But you should keep on learning. You should build good things. These are the IT fields that you can go with. Second is, in which field we are talking about. So like I will tell you the count of people that you are joining. 24 people are joining this seminar. And out of these 24 people, all of you are like, most of you are my students only, right? Around 2022 are my students somewhere. And if you are my student, you will be a coding person. So that's why we are going to discuss about this field, software development. What we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss about this software development field. Now, if I want a career, now if you are being a stubborn person, stubborn in Hindi we call it as ziddi. I don't know about other languages, but in Hindi we call it ziddi. Means if you are behind something like, okay, I want this, I want this. Let's search for stubborn. Because some Telugu peoples are here, so we should search for them. So you can read it, guys. I don't understand what is this written in Telugu. So stubborn, I'm talking about this. So if you are becoming a stubborn person that no, I want a job in coding field only, then what is the path that I should follow? So the first thing that I will suggest you, what we are talking about getting a job in IT. Getting a job in IT, especially in software development. Especially in software development. We are talking about this path now. if you want a job in software development, the very first thing that you should do, find a mentor. You should find a mentor for you. You cannot survive in this field if you don't have a mentor. I am also having my mentors, right? Don't think that you can survive without your mentors. You should have your mentors. And that mentor should not be your friend, because you know very well how you talk with your friends. Because even if they are suggesting something, you will not listen to them. Your friend should not be your mentor. And your mentor should have more knowledge than you. If you are thinking that no, no, my friend has more knowledge than me, then you can ask your friend to become your mentor. But find a mentor. Mentor, not, I'm not saying teacher, I'm saying mentor who will guide you, who will be available for you, who will give you a solution to your problems. Right? Find a mentor. First thing you do is find a mentor. Request that person. If that person is having more knowledge, request that person. Request, be on to the feet of that person, that I don't know anything about cricket. So your mentor should be in the same field. Once you find a mentor, share everything with that. Your daily task, even if they are replying, they are seeing it or not, but be loyal and be consistent towards your mentor. Right? Be loyal, be consistent towards your mentor. That okay, today I learned this, today I was very busy, so I didn't learn anything, this, that, everything, whatever it is, share each and every detail with your mentor. That's it. Find a mentor for yourself. Second is start learning. Now everyone will say, sir, everyone say this line, that the more you learn, the more you earn. And this is correct also. The more you are learning and the more you are earning. It's correct also. But what we should learn and how we should learn. So I'll give a very simple example for that. Let's say this is a car. My drawing is very bad. Just consider that it is a car. Okay. This is a car. And my car got stuck into a place. Now I need to push this car. Okay. I need to push this car to get it move. And in my car, me and my brother was sitting. In my car, me and my brother was sitting. Now we need to push this car to get it in a side, because the car is got stuck on the road. Now we need to take our car into the side. For that, what we will do? For that, what we will do? Me and my brother both, we should get out of the car and we should start pushing it. So what I did, I came here and my brother came here and we both are pushing the car. Now tell me, this car will move? No, this car will not move. And I am using my full energy. My brother is using his full energy. Our car is not moving anywhere. Why? Because, darling, you are using your energy in a wrong direction. Your energy is going into a wrong direction. You don't know a right path. What is the right path? That both of us should push the car from the same direction. Now this car will move. This car will move 110% now. So what we did, whenever you're learning something, you don't know that path. You are putting your energy, you are writing code, you are just being crazy about it. You are working till late nights, no result. Why no result? Because if let's say me and my brother is pushing this car like this, will this car will move somewhere? No. You can try 24 hours. Work 24 hours a day. This car will not move anywhere. This car will not move anywhere. Anywhere. Why? Because we don't have any circular calculating plan here. This car will not move anywhere because you are trying in a wrong direction. So if you are saying that, if you are saying that, sir, I am writing code like this, 10 hours a day, I am writing code only, I am learning lot of things. and still there is no result. So I will say that what you are doing in that 10 hours. So I want to do a quick reality check. First, build, read those diaries, read those documentation, and start building. Start building. So learn by building. Build the things. Don't remember the topic. Okay, in HTML there are 6 heading tags, H1 to H6. Okay, they are, but what is the use of them? No use. You should build something. You should build something. And you cannot build by yourself. You require a mentor for that, because they will teach you or they will suggest you that okay, do this thing, do that thing. So like that it will go. So mentors are required for that. Second thing is, okay sir, we are learning, we are building also. Then how we will get a job after that? I will say that you will get a job by showing that to public. Sir, how we can show that to public, that and what we need to show? So I will say very one simple thing, that if you are talking about showing your skills, showing your content, or showing any other thing just for a minute, remember that people like seeing something. They don't like listening. Like you will be feeling bored in this class. If I am opening my camera and you will be starting enjoying it. Why? What happened with that? Nothing. It is just our mindset that okay, we are seeing it, then it's fine. So people love to see. They don't love to listen. They love to see. So start showing to the people that okay, you are building something. For that, you have to create your online accounts. Start posting that, right? Start posting. LinkedIn is there, Twitter is there, Naukri is there. Lot of platforms are there. Go to them and start posting whatever you built. Don't think one like I'm getting. You can say, sir, only one like I'm getting. So I will say, are you talking about the likes? No. Do you want likes in life? No, I don't want like in life. If nobody's liking me, that is fine. I don't want likes on comments. I want proper guidance. I want proper life. I want proper execution of my things. For that, post. Doesn't matter the result it. Now you will ask, sir, we are learning from last 1 year, we are learning from last 6 months, how much we should learn. So I will say, give yourself 6 months. And these 6 months, in these 6 months, you should be a ghost. You should be a ghost. You should not be a human being. You should be a ghost in this 6 months. Ghost means you don't care about anyone. You don't have any family. You don't have any peoples. I also did it. The first thing I did was not in touch with my family, not going to their family functions. I didn't attend it for many years. 3, 4 years, I didn't attend any family function, not even a single marriage, not even a single birthday party. Why? Because I know if I'm going there, I'll waste my time. Nothing happens in one day. People will say that come for one day. That one day will break your schedule. That one day will give you tiredness for next 3 days. Right? So be a ghost. Stay away from social media. It's my personal choice to everyone. Stay away. Like if you are love to watch and scroll, then it's very bad. Stay away from social media for at least 6 months. You want a good life of social media, and you definitely everyone will say we want a good life, then stay away from social media. It's very easy. Do the work, get tired and sleep. Do the work, get tired and sleep. Repeat the same thing. If I am working 60 hours a day, I am working 16 hours a day. Do I have energy to do anything after that? No, I don't have energy. I'll simply go to my bed and I'll just sleep in a single minute. I don't require any sleeping tablet. I don't require any 1 hour Instagram session before going to sleep. No, I don't require. I don't require to talk to anyone before that, because I'm literally tired and I'll go to my bed and just lay down and I'll get sleep in 5 minutes because I'm tired in a day. So work, get tired, sleep. Repeat that cycle. Now what we should work, sir? Actually, I was planning to build a project in this seminar, and now time is not there. So like we already spent 1 hour and now we don't have time. So we'll not build project now, but I'll give you some sort of other informations. First information is give yourself 6 months. And the seminar was about full stack and what is required to learn full stack and how much salary we can expect. Where are there any job openings? If there are some job, where we can apply to those jobs. Now we will discuss about these topics. And this is not the last seminar. I will organize seminars in the upcoming weekends also. Whenever I am getting free, I will organize. Generally, my schedule is always tight. I don't have a lot of time. But whenever I am getting some time, definitely 110%, I will be there to organize these kind of seminars to teach you also. Right? If I am saying find a mentor, I will be your mentor for one day. I will teach you the things. I will teach you how I got the things, how I learned the things. I am not giving you just random bookish knowledge. I will give you practical knowledge as well. That's what I famous for. So the thing says give yourself 6 months. Now we are going to talk about full stack. Wherever I am teaching something or wherever I am taking this seminar, same example I give everywhere because that is the best example for full stack. Again, I will repeat that example for full stack. Don't learn anything about full stack. Just first understand how full stack is actually working. So let me. So let's say you are going to any restaurant, right? You are going to any restaurant, any whatever you like. You will go to that restaurant and you will sit in the dining area. Where you will sit in the dining area, and in that dining area they will maintain all the cleaning, all the lighting, proper light, tables, chair, everything they will maintain there. Why they are maintaining everything there? Because that is the visible thing to customer. If you are going to a restaurant and that is very dirty, you will not eat anything there. And it's very dirty. We are not going to this restaurant. But if it is looking very good, like highest things are available there, all the facilities are available there, customer will say, okay, this restaurant is very good. Doesn't matter how the taste of that restaurant. It doesn't matter how the taste of that restaurant, right? So first thing that everyone sees, everyone, that is the dining area of that restaurant. And that dining area is the front end. Front end means what people will see. Let's say you are going to search youtube.com. So you went to the website of YouTube. You went to the website of YouTube. Whatever you are seeing here, YouTube logo, home button, shorts button, subscription button, you button, history button, sign in button, this search bar, this mic icon, all this is front end. All of this is front end because this is visible to you. This is visible to you. This is called front end here. Very good. So front end is there. Now, you went to a restaurant and I will write which is visible to user. You went to a restaurant and you ordered, let's say anything. You ordered biryani there or any other. If you like any other thing, you like chole bhature, you whatever you like, you order that. Where they will prepare that biryani? If you are going to any restaurant and you gave a order for biryani, where they will prepare that biryani? In the kitchen. It means that wherever they are processing your request, whatever you are requesting, wherever they are cooking the things, that is called backend, where processing is done, where all the processings are done. In the YouTube, I'll go to youtube.com again. And in this YouTube, what I will do is I will search something. Let's say I will search here Virat Kohli. I will search Virat Kohli. And when you are clicking a search button, you are requesting YouTube to show the videos related to Virat Kohli. YouTube will take this Virat Kohli text to the backend or database, and It will process, it will cook all the videos and it will give to you those videos of Virat Kohli related videos. Array, see this thing. Like fake news every time, stupid peoples. So these kind of things you do in the back end. Things works in back end where processings are done. Now, one more thing is left in full stack. Let's say you are going to the restaurant. I will give restaurant example only. In that restaurant, you ordered biryani and rice is the main ingredient that is required for preparing biryani. Okay, fine. Where they will prepare biryani in the kitchen, that is backend. Okay, that also we got. From where they will take the rice, I will say market. But will they daily go to market? Let's say there is a restaurant and that restaurant is famous for biryani. So the owner of that restaurant or the manager of that restaurant or the employee of that restaurant will go to market daily and purchase rice. A stupid idea. Purchase the rice in bulk. Let's say 1000 kg rice you purchase in the bulk. But if I have purchased 1000 kg of rice, I require a separate place, right? Where cleaning should be there, proper temperature should be there, where mouse should not come to eat the rice, birds should not come. So we require a safe place to store our rice. We require a safe place to store our rice. Same thing to store these videos, whatever videos YouTube is giving you, these videos might be stored somewhere. These videos will be available in somewhere. From there only this YouTube is giving you. That is called database. That is called database. And database is a place where things are stored. What is database? Where data is stored. So these are the three components of database. Sorry, full stack. Now what we have to learn for learning front end, for learning back end, for learning database. And if you are getting a question that sir, can we only learn front end and get a job? Yes. Front end developer. Sir, can I only learn back end and get a job? Yes. Back end developer. Sir, can I only learn database and get a job? Yes. Database administrator. You can learn any one thing and you will get a job, but pay will be less according to a full stack developer. If you want a good pay, you should go for a full stack development. Now, what we require in front end? HTML is required, CSS is required, JS is required, React is required. Now you can't get famous are MySQL, Oracle, and MongoDB. These are the things you should learn. Sir, we should learn all. I will say no. You should learn HTML required. I will say if you are ready to give dedicated 4 months. Dedicated means you don't know anything. You are not doing anything. You are just learning this. 4 months are good to go. In 4 months, you can learn easily. I'm saying easily you will learn 4 months. Don't know if you are from a non-IT field, doesn't matter. You will learn it, right? You will learn it. Now, where we can learn, lot of internet resources are there, lot of documentations are there. If you have some connection, they can teach you. Those are available. YouTube videos are available. But I will not prefer YouTube videos because the content is very distracting there. If you are going to search YouTube, YouTube will show you three different things. Today you are watching the video of someone, tomorrow you will watch the video of someone else. So if you are able to stick, I will say YouTube is a good university. You can learn from YouTube. I have never went to any coaching center in my entire life. Nor in my neither in my 10th class, 12th class, in my BTech, after BTech, like never. I never went to a coaching center. Instead, I was running a coaching center of mine. Right? So I never went to a coaching center. So these are the things. Now, all of these things I discussed, actually, I am running out of time. I have a lot of other things after this. So I'll try to pack up this very soon, and maybe you are coming here for only 1 hour and it is getting very late. So quickly, let me show you some of the job field as a fresher where we can get the jobs. So I will tell you one thing, that you should go to Jobathon. That is Geeks for Geeks Jobathon. Geeks for Geeks Jobathon. So this is like a hackathon and all those. In that, there will be some test. So you can read this. I will tell you